easy go.
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Ali G here, and today I have an unboxing for you guys. It's something I just got today, like literally like 5 minutes ago. I was just in the bathroom. I got this new ONN PC stereo speakers, high quality audio and compact design. It connects to my computer, and I'm going to be unboxing it and setting it up. And let me change this to the up down view, or the facing down views to the thing, okay? So yeah, this is an unboxing. I don't think I need a knife. This thing's already opened. I opened it in the car, like maybe. I opened it, but I didn't get to really open it. I just opened the box. So let's open this baby up. Let's see what's inside. So I got an instruction manual here. I got 1 and 2 speakers right here. That box on the side. There's nothing else in there. So I got the 2 speakers right here. It comes with a USB and micro 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, so it can connect to my So yeah, it can connect to my things and stuff, my computer. So let me just open this up. So yeah, let me just open this baby up. Actually, I need a knife. 1 second. I got my knife here. Let me grab this baby open. Oops. Oh, let's rip that bag right there. Just do that. Oh, I could open that easier. Well, better to use a knife. Nicely done there. There's 1 speaker. Subwoofer in the back. It feels pretty cheap, but like really nice quality plastic, but it's okay. So let me just rip this bag open. Just let me find the spot that I ripped it open on the other one too. Whatever. I'm just gonna casually rip it. Put that baby to the side. Put this in the garbage box. And so yeah, here is the speakers that I just got. So I need to. Oh crap! I might need a new USB plug, but hopefully this works out well. I can hopefully plug this in properly. Let's see. There's a volume thing on the volume rocker on the back. As you can see here, there's a volume rocker. There's up and down, and then here's the power and stuff on this one. There's power and stuff on this one, but this one is just another side. So I'm gonna switch you guys to the computer view so you guys can see how I set this up. So yeah, the 2 speakers are gonna go 1 here and 1 back over here, like right next to my mouse pad. And then the headphone jack's on this side. I might plug my mouse back over here, and then plug the USB for the speaker into that side, or I just might keep it, see what happens. For now, I'm gonna just plug this back in over here. No, I'm gonna plug this over here still. Wait. And then I'm gonna plug these 2 right next to each other. So let me just cable manage here first quickly. So I'll put these 2. 1 on this end, the other on this. And then what is that? I don't know. But so let me plug these babies in. The headphone jack. And then plug this in. Put that baby into there. And then hopefully this will work. In a few minutes I might just do a sound test, but I'm gonna do some cable management here, tie it with maybe some tape or something, and put it in behind. So yeah, see you guys in a sec. So here's the sound test. This is what it sounds like without. It might not pick it up properly because it's on a camera, but like when you hear it, it might sound a little better in person. So this is what it sounds like without the speakers and stuff. And then here's the one with the speakers. Here's the one with the speakers. It sounds way better. There's more bass, and it's a little louder when you have it at a pretty good volume, so it doesn't break your eardrums out. And so yeah, that's the video today. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.